grade 6 students. We had a wonderful time today. So ma'am was very happy to see that all of you have done your test well, and even the class went on well. So I was extremely happy today. And now, so what did we see in our last class? So it's going to be a recap of a story. So we saw a story, right? Yes. How the dog found himself a new master. Okay, so we see who's the main character in the story. Yes, of course, it is a dog. Okay, so the dog is going to be the main character in our story, and how he found himself a new master. Okay, so first, what happened? What did we see in this story? We saw that the dog was ill pleased. Ill pleased means not happy at all. So he was not happy with this life. So he wanted to get a new master, most strongest person in this world. So first, where did he went? Very good. He met the fox. So his first master was, he met the fox. And what did he do? Yes, very good. He asked the fox, so can you be my master? The fox agreed, and both of them set off on their journey. And suddenly what happened? Excellent. The fox got afraid on looking at an animal. So who was it? Yes, very good. It was the bear. So it was the bear. Then what did he do? He said, Tata, bye-bye, see you. To who he said? Yes, he told to the fox, and he went to the bear and said, Bear, can you be my master? He asked. So the bear agreed, and now what happened? They set off on their journey. So the bear and the dog wanted to, excuse me. So the bear and the dog wanted to hunt cows and eat them up. So as they were approaching there, who did they see? Yes, the king of the jungle. Very good. They saw a lion. So they saw a lion. And what happened? The bear said, the lion is the strongest person in this jungle. So now what the dog did? Again he said, Tata, bye-bye, see you to the bear. And he went and joined the lion. And he asked the lion, so can you be my master? The lion said, yes, yes, you can come along with me. And the dog lived for so many years with the lion so happily. He had all his food, and no one ever dared to touch the dog because he was the lion's servant. And one day when the lion and the dog were walking, suddenly the lion heard a noise. He heard a noise from the jungle pathway, and he started running backwards. So the dog was surprised. So why is the lion running? And finally, who was there? Very good. So the man was there. So a man was approaching, and the lion got scared of the man. The lion got scared of the man. And finally what the dog did again? He said, Tata, bye-bye, see you to the lion. And he joined the man. So till now we find that man only is the faithful master for the dog. So the dog's master now is, till today is, yes, a man. Okay, very good. I hope you are clear with the story, and I know you know it very well. Now coming to next. So today ma'am taught you a grammar, no? Something regarding grammar. So what did we see in grammar? In grammar, we saw about comprehension passage. Comprehension passage. So what's a comprehension passage? Ma'am told you, no? Yes, they will give a short passage or a short story, and there will be questions below. Okay, the questions can be like question answer format, or choose the correct answer, true or false, whatever it may be, even fill in the blanks. So any questions they will give below, you have to read the story line by line, understand what is there in the story, and answer the questions. So these are general grammar things that we do. Okay, so now ma'am has given you a comprehension passage. What was the title? A mouse. A mouse maiden. Okay, so the topic is a mouse maiden. So keep in mind, I told you ma'am will give only model. So this is a model for comprehension. Don't expect the same in your exam. Okay, so this is a model. Only you should learn how to handle a comprehension passage. Okay, so ma'am will change and give you different passages, different questions. So now if I give you question answers, I can give you true or false there, or I can give you fill in the blanks there. So this is just a model. So ma'am will read out the story to you, and I will explain the story to you, and you will be answering this for your homework today. Okay, so keep in mind, a comprehension passage means a short passage or a short story. So now we are going to see a story, an imaginative story, a mouse maiden. I think you know what's a mouse. Yes, maiden means girls. How a mouse became a girl. So that is a story. Once there was a mouse who changed into a girl by a magician. She wanted to marry the strongest person in the world. So what happened here? So once there was a mouse who wanted to marry a strongest person in the world. And what happened? The mouse became a girl with the magician's help. She asked whether the sun or cloud was stronger, or the mountain was stronger than the clouds to get married to. So what happened? She became a girl. No, the mouse became a girl. So she is asking whether she should get married to the sun, who is stronger, or the cloud, who is stronger than the sun, or the mountain, which is the strongest than the clouds. Suddenly, the girl felt that the mouse was stronger than the mountain because she was a mouse herself. So suddenly, the girl thought we should marry a mouse. Why? She felt that the mouse was stronger. Why? Because she also was a mouse. Finally, the girl asked the mouse to marry her, and she became a mouse again. So what happened? So finally, she asked the mouse to get married, and she became a mouse again. So this is our comprehension passage. So ma'am will take a pic and send the questions to you today. So please see that you complete your homework today and take a pic of it and send it before 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay. And then I think you remember my GK question. Yes. Once more ma'am will repeat it to you. So you know, no, honeybees. Bees will collect nectar from every flower, and when they come back to the hive, they give a signal to the other bees that there is nectar in those flowers there. So what is that signal? So find it out and tell it to me in the next class. Okay. So be safe at home. Don't waste your time only in watching TV. Please do a lot of reading, find new words from dictionaries, and develop your reading and communication skills. Okay? Take care, students. Bye.